In this tutorial, we will see that how you can set song as ringtone on Android phone in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to open your phone settings. After opening it, you have to scroll it down until you find here sounds and vibration. Here it is. You can open it. If you don't find here the same option, what you can do is click back. From these settings, you can search for ringtone. Here it is. You can open the first one and now you will be on this sounds and vibration. Scroll it down and you will get this ringtone. Open it. Now it's showing Sim 1 and Sim 2. We are in this Sim 1. Now to set ringtone on this Android phone, you will see here this option on this device to select music from your device. But if it's not showing this option, you will see here plus icon on right top side on your phone. But in my phone, it's showing here. I will click on that. It will start showing music. Now if you want to download new music, what you can do is open Google and simply search for Pixabay Music, where you will get this royalty-free music download. You can open it and here you will get the list. You can simply play it and download by just clicking on the download button and it will start downloading here. You can see here, if I open details of downloading file, it's downloading here. After download, if you click on that on this device, it will show here in music. You can simply select it for your ringtone on your Android phone. So that's how you can set song as ringtone on Android phone in just few steps.